Today, we're in the garage, and we're doing an oil change on my BMW R1200GS. And it may surprise you that I'm using diesel engine oil. Why? Well, it's cheap. That's why. Come along. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my garage. Today, we are going to be changing the oil on this BMW R1200GS adventure, and we're going to do it a little differently. A lot of stuff out there says you need to be buying that super high dollar BMW stuff. Done this a couple times now. We're using good old diesel oil. It needs to be the T6 540, and specifically what you're looking for on the back is you are looking for the JASO MA2, which that is what is recommended from the manufacturer. That's the spec that it has to meet, which it does. So right now, Walmart, $23 for a gallon. That's a heck of a lot cheaper than going to the BMW shop. Not saying you can't do it, but there again, I try to do things on the cheap when possible, and this meets spec, so I'm going to go for it. Anyways, let's get into it. All right, so we're going to remove the skid plate first. It's got to go. This particular skid plate is an alt-rider. The may look a little different the one you have on your bike, but that's what we got. Okay, other side. All right, this is a 10 mil Allen. Now this one may surprise a few people because I'm not using the standard BMW branded oil. Instead, I'm going to use a full synthetic oil that was originally designed for diesel engines. Before anyone raises an eyebrow, here's the important part. This oil carries the proper JASO MA2 rating, which all that means is that it's safe for wet clutch motorcycles. And it also meets BMW's specifications. Pro tip, when you're pulling your oil filter, make sure that your gasket comes off with it. This one was stuck to the filter housing. For me, I'm looking for an oil that offers excellent protection, strong heat resistance, reliable performance for long miles and hard riding, and with the crazy cost of things these days, I'm going to try to save a few bucks. With my memory as bad as it is, I always write the mileage and the date when I change oil on my filter. Don't forget to lube up the gasket on your filter with some clean oil. No tools needed putting that filter on, just hand tight. Snug around good though. Don't forget the new crush washer on that drain plug. I know there's a torque spec for that drain plug. I just don't ever use them. I would recommend it though. All right, we are almost done. We are getting to add oil finally. We're gonna pull this fill plug out, and if you are new to BMWs and doing your own oil changes, there is a screwdriver handle under your seat. That handle is the tool that removes that plug for you. All right, now that we got oil in the bike and it's almost full, we're going to go ahead and start it. Make sure that our oil filter is full, and then we can recheck our oil level to top it off to its proper amount. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can kind of see it there. So there's a circle inside. There's a red circle. You see it there? Oh yeah, there we go. And that is just about I'm going to give it just a little more, but that's where we want it. Right inside that red circle there. All right, oil level's good. We're gonna go ahead and cap her off and get her put back together. Hopefully this was helpful and it gives you a little more confidence to tackle this job on your own bike. We've got plenty of options out there, so do your homework, use what's best for your bike, and keep it maintained for the miles ahead. Ride safe and enjoy the ride. Hey, I really appreciate you watching this all the way to the end. It means a lot to me. See you next time.